Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer.
Is National Aluminium Company Ltd, NALCO, emerging as India's next wealth creator? When we think of wealth creators in India, most investors imagine private sector giants, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Reliance, TCS, or Asian Paints. But in the last few years, select PSUs have surprised the markets with stellar returns. Examples include Coal India, BEL, and Hindustan Aeronautics. Now the big question is, can NALCO join this list of PSU wealth creators? Founded in 1981 and incorporated as a Navratna CPSE under the Ministry of Mines, NALCO is not just another metals company. It operates one of Asia's largest integrated Bauxite-Alumina-Aluminium-Power complexes, giving it a unique position in the commodity value chain. With capacity expansions, strong government support, and diversification into critical minerals like lithium, many investors are wondering if NALCO could transform itself. Let's break down the 7 driving factors that could make NALCO a future wealth creator, and also understand the risks investors should not ignore. 7 driving factors making NALCO a wealth creator candidate. Factor 1. Integrated business model. NALCO's strength lies in its integration. Unlike standalone aluminium producers, NALCO controls the value chain from bauxite mining to alumina refining to aluminium smelting, captive power, and renewable energy. Integration protects margins in commodity downturns and improves profitability during upcycles. Factor 2. Capacity expansion. One of the biggest triggers for NALCO is its large-scale capex. 8,254 crore rupees investment to add a 5th stream at the alumina refinery. A 17,000 crore rupees smelter project aimed at enhancing aluminium output. Factor 3. Raw material security. Operationalization of Utkal D and Utkal E coal mines ensures stable supply. Factor 4. Export opportunities. In FY24, 33% of NALCO's revenues came from exports. This diversifies risk when domestic demand slows and provides upside during global commodity booms. Factor 5. MAUs and strategic minerals. NALCO is not limiting itself to aluminium. Lithium project in Argentina, tapping into the EV battery supply chain. Factor 6. Government support. Being under the Ministry of Mines, NALCO enjoys strong policy backing. Strategic importance of aluminium in defense, aerospace, and infrastructure ensures government interest. Factor 7. Future-ready vision. NALCO follows a structured planning model. 3-year plan for operational efficiency, 7-year strategy for capacity doubling, 15-year vision for diversification. Challenges and risks investors should note. While the long-term story looks exciting, investors must acknowledge near-term headwinds. Declining margins. EBITDA margin dropped from 32% in FY22 to 22% in FY24. Commodity sensitivity. NALCO's profits are highly linked to global aluminium prices, making it cyclical. Execution risks. 25,000 crore plus capex is massive. Delays or cost overruns could hit returns. Financial snapshot FY24 at a glance. Revenue, 14,255 crore rupees approximately. Net profit, approximately 1,500 crore rupees, decline versus FY22 peak. Dividend payout, approximately 40% payout ratio, strong dividend yield attracts investors. Exports, approximately 33% of revenues. Big picture, can NALCO be a wealth creator? The answer depends on 3 critical factors. Commodity cycle. If aluminium enters a multi-year bull cycle driven by EV demand and infrastructure spending. Cost efficiency. Success of Utkal coal mines and caustic soda. JV in reducing costs will decide margin stability. Diversification success. Lithium and critical minerals could re-rate NALCO from a cyclical producer to a strategic minerals player. Final thoughts. NALCO today is at an inflection point. From being a traditional PSU aluminium company, it is expanding, integrating, and diversifying. With 25,000 crore plus capex, strong government support, and long-term vision, it does have the DNA of a potential wealth creator. However, the cyclical nature of aluminium, execution risks, and PSU perception discount cannot be ignored. For investors, NALCO may not be a set-and-forget stock, but it could be a strategic bet in a long-term portfolio. especially if you believe in the India growth story, global aluminium upcycle, and critical minerals future. What do you think? Could NALCO be your next wealth creator? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more investment insights.